Driving habits are shifting across the UK, as new figures show automatic driving lessons are now just as popular as traditional manual ones. Experts say the rise of electric vehicles, most of which are automatic, is fueling the trend, with more learners opting for the ease and simplicity of an automatic gearbox. Driving instructors report a surge in demand, particularly among younger learners who see automatics as the future of motoring. And with car manufacturers gradually phasing out manual models, it seems the once essential skill of gear changing has well and truly stalled. For more on this, we are joined by Paul Loader, who is an automatic driving instructor in Basingstoke. Hello Paul and welcome.
Thank you for having me.
So Paul, you are an automatic driving instructor. Can you say that you have noticed a trend in people turning to automatic? Are you keeping busy?
I have been doing automatic driving lessons in Basingstoke for nearly 15 years. It's always been really busy. But yes, it is definitely getting more and more popular. There also seems to be a lot more instructors making the switch to teach automatic.
So why do you think that is? I always thought that manual lessons were more popular. Are learners getting lazy? Or just moving with the times? Is this trend accelerating?
I think more people are taking automatic driving lessons because it's easier. People are in a hurry to get their lessons over and done with. People I talk to often say that they just don't want to do manual. They think it's harder and will take longer, which it often does. Also, because learning to drive is so expensive, they also want to get it done in fewer lessons. I don't blame them. Also, like you said, because more and more cars are automatic these days, and also a lot of new cars being made are electric. Back when I learned to drive, automatic cars were not the best and unreliable. Now the technology has improved, they are often better. I learned to drive in a manual car, but given the choice now, I would probably do automatic too. I actually taught my son to drive in a manual car, and after about 2 years after he passed his test, he brought an automatic car. He just said, "Dad, I can't be bothered with all that gear changing anymore." He now loves automatic.
Interesting. So do you think it's mainly the young people making the switch, or do you have students of all ages? I guess it's no longer just the older generation driving automatic cars.
Absolutely, I have students of all ages. It's definitely not just the older drivers anymore. More than half of my pupils are younger ones, a lot of them still at college. They sometimes get laughed at by their friends, but they don't care. They just want to get the driving lessons done and pass their driving tests.
You mentioned driving tests. From what I understand, there is a huge problem with driving tests at the moment. Driving test waiting times are so long. Is that affecting things?
That's so true. I have never known driving test waiting times to be so long. They are so hard to get hold of now. I think this is another reason that people are doing automatic lessons. They know that doing manual lessons is harder and takes longer. They also want to make their driving tests easier by doing it in an automatic. They do not want to risk failing and have to wait for another test.
Thanks, Paul. Was great speaking with you. I understand you have 2 pupils with you today. I wanted to ask them why they are doing automatic lessons instead of manual. Let's ask Muzu. Hello Muzu, so why are you doing automatic?
Hi, I chose to learn how to drive an automatic car because it eliminates the effort in navigating the gear changing, which allows me to concentrate fully on the driving, especially at tricky junctions. Apparently you are also unlikely to stall in an automatic, so that's a plus.
Thank you Muzu. I understand we also have David with us. Same question to you David, why did you choose to do your lessons in an automatic car?
Hi, I'm learning in an automatic car as I find it a bit easier and think automatics are cars of the future.
Thanks everyone for your time. Well, speaking of time, we need to say goodbye for now. But seems everyone agrees, automatics are definitely getting more popular and learners seem to be going in that direction. Well, that's all for now.